For Little Rock homeowners, upgrading windows is more than a cosmetic improvement. It's a long-term investment in comfort, efficiency, and home value. With Arkansas's mix of hot summers, cooler winters, and fluctuating humidity, outdated or poorly performing windows can lead to higher energy bills and everyday discomfort. Choosing quality replacement windows offers lasting benefits that extend far beyond the initial installation. Here's why investing in high-quality replacement windows delivers exceptional long-term value for Little Rock homes. Lower energy costs year after year. One of the most immediate benefits of quality replacement windows is improved energy efficiency. Modern windows are designed with advanced features that reduce heat transfer and air leakage. These features include insulated double or triple pane glass low-E coatings that reflect heat-tight weather stripping and seals in Little Rock's warm climate. These upgrades help keep cooled air inside during summer and reduce heating loss in winter, lowering utility bills month after month. Improved indoor comfort in every season. Drafts, hot spots, and cold zones are common in homes with aging windows. Quality replacement windows help regulate indoor temperatures more evenly. Homeowners experience consistent comfort throughout the home, fewer temperature fluctuations, reduced reliance on HVAC systems. This makes living spaces more comfortable year-round. Long-lasting durability and performance. Quality replacement windows are built to withstand weather exposure, humidity, and temperature changes common in Little Rock. High-quality materials resist warping and deterioration, maintain sealing performance over time, require less maintenance. This durability ensures your investment continues to perform for decades. Enhanced noise reduction for quieter living. Many quality replacement windows include multi-pane glass and reinforced frames that reduce outside noise. Benefits include less traffic and neighborhood noise, improved sleep and concentration, a calmer indoor environment. This added comfort enhances daily living. Increased home value and buyer appeal. Replacement windows are one of the most appealing upgrades for potential buyers. Homes with modern, energy-efficient windows often sell faster and at higher prices. Quality windows improve curb appeal, signal a well-maintained home appeal to energy-conscious buyers. This makes them a smart investment for resale. Reduced maintenance over time. Older windows often require frequent repairs, painting, or sealing. Quality replacement windows are designed for low maintenance. Homeowners enjoy easy cleaning, durable finishes, fewer repair costs. This saves both time and money over the years. Protection against moisture and weather damage. Little Rock's humidity and rain can cause moisture problems if windows aren't properly sealed. Quality windows and professional installation prevent water intrusion, protect walls and framing, reduce the risk of mold and rot. This safeguards your home's structure. Preserved manufacturer warranties. Quality replacement windows installed professionally come with strong warranties that protect your investment. This provides coverage for defects, long-term peace of mind, added confidence in performance, a smart financial decision. While quality replacement windows may cost more upfront, their long-term savings and benefits outweigh the initial expense. Homeowners benefit from lower energy bills, reduced maintenance costs, increased property value, a lasting upgrade for Little Rock homes. Investing in quality replacement windows is one of the smartest decisions Little Rock homeowners can make. From energy savings and comfort to durability and resale value, these windows deliver lasting returns. For homeowners seeking long-term efficiency, comfort, and peace of mind, quality replacement windows offer a valuable upgrade that enhances everyday living and protects your home investment for years to come.